welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. In case you are new here, I do cleaning motivation on my channel. If that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be cleaning out my car and I need to do this so bad. So this video could not have come at a better time. So I'm not gonna do super long intro. Let's just go out there and let me show you guys what I'm working with. Okay guys, so we're on the way to the car wash. I actually have a monthly subscription to a car wash in the area, and they have, it's like $15 a month and it's unlimited car washes, plus it comes with a free vacuum. So yeah, that's where we're heading right now. We're gonna run through real quick. Normally I would clean out the car before coming here, but they're actually gonna close soon because of the time change. So yeah, we're gonna go in and do that really fast.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds of...
Okay, we just ran through the car wash, so now I'm gonna get out and do some of the vacuuming. I'm also going to clean out some of the trash that I have in my car. For example, this is probably a couple days old. I have papers, I have like tissues and stuff in here. So I'm just gonna take this opportunity to clean everything out that I don't want and just utilize the trash cans that they have here. Quite a few things in the back. So yeah, all right, let's get started.
Hold tight, hold tight, can't make...
All right, back here is kind of a mess as well. Water bottles, lots of sand in my car, so we're gonna vacuum it out. I have a lot of mail and stuff in here that I need to go through. Papers, shoes, so obviously I'm not throwing these out. But you know what I think I will do is put all of this stuff that I'm going to keep and look through when I get home into this bag. That way I can vacuum without any of this stuff getting in the way.
Collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me.
Okay, so that alone really improved the whole look of my car. It honestly smells so much better. So we're gonna go home now, we're gonna clean out everything else, and I'll show you guys what I end up doing. Okay, sorry the lighting is super bad now. It got pretty dark out pretty quick, but I wanted to show you guys what I keep in my back seat. I have this organizer. I will link it on Amazon. It was very inexpensive. But basically what I keep back here is I keep a couple of reusable bags. In one of the bags I have a blanket, and I have this for a couple of reasons. Just if I end up going to the beach and I feel like I need something to sit on, not even the beach, we go anywhere and I feel like I need something to sit on. If I buy something valuable and I'm going to be keeping it in my trunk, but I'm going to run out to other stores before going home, I'll throw this blanket like over the back of my trunk, just as a little hack. I also had a black blanket, that way there's like, it doesn't look suspicious or anything like that. You can't really see in, but I think it's just good to have a blanket in your car. I keep a roll of paper towels, and then I keep a bag of workout clothes and some sneakers just in case. That has actually come in handy more than you would think. If I end up changing my mind about wanting to work out, or if I'm somewhere and I just want to be comfortable, I have a change of clothes. So I just keep that in my car and I keep it to the side. I also have a larger size umbrella back there. I also have a small one, but I try to keep the trunk pretty minimal for the most part. That way, you know, there's room for groceries and stuff. Again, I apologize for the lighting, but everything's clean back here. cleared out all of that stuff. I had just so much stuff accumulate. I do like that the car, you can't even see. I feel so bad. But there's these little nets back here. I feel like they just accumulate stuff, so I kind of just wish they weren't even there. But I'm going to show you what I do to clean the front. Okay, if you guys can see all of these white marks all over my car, this is actually from bug spray. I wear so much bug spray before I go outside. Living in Florida, there's a bug right there. But when I get in, I guess like my elbow rubs against it and it leaves a white mark. So what I use to get it out is just this stuff. I'll link a couple of things down below because I try a couple of them. I like Turtle Wax, that's a good brand, Armor All, and then I have this one, Auto Drive. I think this one was from Walmart, I want to say. But I just use that, and I use a microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the doors and the dash. As you can see, the dash is pretty dusty, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that off. Alright, there is like a large wasp type thing in my car right now, and it's totally ruining my video. If you guys can see it, because that's on the dash, and I'm trying to get it out, but...
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Oh my god, I'm exhausted. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Can make me move.